Hi, everyone. I'm Nhan. I'm 39 years old and I don't have a full-time job right now. Today, I'm trying to spend less than $3 and see if an ordinary day can still be meaningful. Come spend the day with me in Vietnam. I like opening the window first. The fresh air reminds me that life keeps moving, even when I feel like I'm standing still. Keeping my room tidy helps me organize my thoughts too. I spend a lot of time at this desk. Sometimes I'm editing videos, sometimes I'm searching for new opportunities, and sometimes I'm just thinking about what comes next. Even when I don't have somewhere important to go, I still get dressed. It reminds me to treat every day with respect. This is yesterday's rice. In Vietnam, many families fry leftover rice instead of throwing it away. It's simple, affordable, and still delicious. Years ago, I often ate too quickly because I was busy working. Now, I try to enjoy every meal a little more. This small desk has become my workplace. Every day, I spend hours learning, planning, and trying to build a better future. Before dinner, I need to buy a few things for tonight's meal. I always check the discount section first. Saving even a little money has become part of my daily routine. Small choices today can make a big difference over time. Sometimes I stop for a moment. Watching people enjoy a normal evening remind me that happiness doesn't always have to be complicated. Before I leave, I always check the receipt. It's a small habit, but it helps me stay within my budget. Home-cooked meals may not look fancy, but they always make me feel at home. Today wasn't an exciting day. I didn't travel anywhere. I didn't accomplish anything extraordinary. I simply lived another ordinary day. Maybe life doesn't change all at once. Maybe it changes quietly, one ordinary day at a time. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. I'll see you again soon.